How to tell if someone follows you back on Snapchat. Hey, I'm Michelle Held from MetroNY.com, and today I'm going to show you how to tell if someone follows you back on Snapchat. Not a lot of apps and integrations for Snapchat yet because it's still new. I wrote a blog post about this on my website, MetroNY.com, and it was very popular, so I know this is a question many people have. You could follow me on Snapchat, MetroNY.com, Instagram, same handle. Follow me on Twitter at MetroNY, my website, MetroNY.com. If you like this video, please hit the like below, leave a comment, ask a question, and subscribe to my channel. So let's get to it. How do you figure out if someone follows you back on Snapchat? It's pretty easy. Of course, you're going to have a Snapchat account already activated. And if you go over and log in, I'm going to switch to a screen share really quick and show you. And it's very easy. It's just a matter of seeing what their score is on their Snap profile. So let's switch over to the screen share view. So if you come over to your Snapchat account and hit the ghost at the top of the screen, it's going to drop down a menu for you. You can see who's added you. You can add friends and list my friends. So we are going to tap my friends. You'll see pick up a list of all the people that I'm connected with. And of course, it's going to be blurred out so you're not checking out my friends online. But the first one I'm going to choose is a brand. So I'm going to tap on this brand, and it brings up their user account and their handle. And you see that's all we see on it is their Snap code, right? The ghost with dots, and their user handle. And what we're looking for is a number right next to their name, and we don't see it in this case. So I'm going to back up, and then I'm going to choose someone who is connected with me, and they are following me back. So I tap on that username, and you see there is her name. And of course I forged it a little bit, right, for the sake of this video and some privacy. But what you see right to the right of her handle is a number, so 34,513. If you see a number there, any number, that means they are following you back. If there's no number at all, it's totally blank, then they're not following you back. So I'll look at Amazon. So you know Amazon, right? Big brand, of course, and it just shows me their account name. I see their handle, Amazon, below that, and absolutely nothing to the right of the handle. This means they're not following me back. If they were, there would be a number to the right of the small word Amazon, which is their user handle. So it's pretty simple to tell if someone's following you back. Not a lot of apps available right now to manage followers and unfollowers like there are on the other social platforms, but I'm sure that is coming. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out my website for more social media strategy and social media for businesses at MetroNY.com, and of course on Twitter as well at MetroNY, and of course you can find me on Instagram as well. Carry on, Treps. And that's it. It's pretty easy, and that's how you tell if someone is following you back. So if you're only following them, you're not going to see that number next to their handle, but if you're following each other, you will see it, and that's how you can tell if someone followed you back, never followed you in the first place, or you've sort of been dumped. Check me out on my website, MetroNY.com. I wrote a tutorial about this. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video if you find this information helpful to you, and of course leave comments, ask questions. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook as well.